Hey, and welcome to EdTech Hustle. Today I'm going to show you a trick that might make your life a little bit easier if you're a Canva user. So this is a presentation that I've created inside Canva. I actually used Canva AI to create. It's just a little 10-slide presentation on macroeconomics. Now, sometimes when you may have to deliver a presentation or a lesson, you may find yourself in a situation that doesn't have reliable internet access, or maybe you have internet access, but you just don't want a chance running your slides off a wireless connection, that sort of thing. Well, what you can do is take this presentation inside Canva and you can automatically convert this into a PowerPoint format that you can then run locally off the workstation that you are presenting at. So our first step is, number one, to have our presentation complete. Now, what I would recommend is if you have a presentation in Canva and you use a lot of the different effects and animation, I may recommend turning those off just because I don't think those will come through to PowerPoint. If you want to try to see if there's something that's similar that will go through in the conversion, you can leave it. But what I typically do is just keep a very kind of basic presentation if it's one that I know I'm going to convert to PowerPoint. So once our presentation is set, I'm just going to go all the way to the right where I'm going to select the share button. And from here, I'm going to choose download. Now, from the download section, we can select the file type, and look at that. PowerPoint is one of the files that we can select. So I'm going to select PowerPoint. You can select as many pages as you want right over here. Now you'll notice that this does have this warning label on each one of those slides. There is some kind of either a video or animation or some sort of transition in between. Again, it says limited media playback. When I convert this, there's a chance that it may not come through. So let's go ahead and try it. I'm just going to leave this the way it is. We'll do all 10 slides. I'm going to select done, and let's go ahead and download. This will take a second or two. That's finished. Now let me open this up in PowerPoint. Okay, here it is. Now, as you can see, I don't have my subscription right now for PowerPoint, but this will give you an idea of what the converted presentation will look like. So let me just arrange these windows. So we have Canva on the left, we have PowerPoint on the right, and as you can see, both of these slides visually look pretty similar. Here's the second slide. Okay, third slide. Let's go to the fourth slide. And then we'll just finish up with the fifth slide right over here. So again, a pretty simple presentation inside Canva. Really increases the chances that it's going to look the same when you download that into PowerPoint. So you can see maybe the fonts aren't exactly the same, but they're very close. And I think if this was a situation where you needed the actual PowerPoint file and you didn't want to use Canva to present, this might be a good way to go about it. So that's it. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If this content is something that you enjoy, it would be great if you could subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you really like this content, it would be awesome if you could leave a super thanks. So thank you and have a great night.